God is saying to you today, I have not left you. No matter what trials or problems you may face, remember that I stand by your side. I have not helped you up to this point in your life just to let you down. I have not helped you to this point just to leave you. I am there. Even if it seems like I am silent, know that I am working things out for you. Type yes if you believe. Everything will work out. Keep trusting me. I know what the medical report says. I know what the financial situation looks like. I see the people who are coming against you. I know how big your dreams are. And hear me clearly, I will not fail you. My lovely child, God can change that situation. The tears, pain, and sleepless nights you are experiencing are making you stronger. God is working it all together for the good. Even though it does not feel good, hold on to God's unchanging hand. God is always with you. Type Amen if you believe on God, and also subscribe the channel